guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So today, Born Pretty asked if they wanted, not if they wanted, if they could send me over some gel polishes. And what did I say, you guys? I mean, come on. I said, of course, yes, please, thank you. So I have never actually tried Born Pretty products, and I was so excited. And I did not know this. Did you guys ever see that they actually have the swatches right on the front of their logo? I thought that was so cute and clever. I never knew that, or maybe I just was blind to it all. They give a really informative little directions in here. I mean, it has like everything as far as prep, application of gel polish, magnetic nail polish, how to remove, and there's pictures. So if you're not a reader like me and you just kind of wing it, I mean, they have pictures, which again is great. I love it. So these were really detailed. I, was happy to see that they had this in there. And so let's get into swatching these babies. So I was really also excited to see that these were vegan and cruelty-free polishes. These, upon, first application, I was like, oh, okay. So they are not thick polishes. Like, they're not runny either. They're like, I guess, perfect. But you do need 2 coats. I will say that. 2-coat application for sure. More so for the lighter colors. But these were very pigmented. And right now I'm showing you 1-coat coverage. So some might think that's fine. I just think you got more of like a brighter color with 2 applications. But it doesn't, like, 2 applications does not add bulkness to it. This is 2 coats, as you can see. Beautiful colors. I mean, these are pinky girly colors. I love them. So when I think of this collection, me personally, I'm like pink girly, just feminine cuteness. And so I wanted to do just, a girly design. So I think of pearls and necklaces and bows and all the little girly things. So here I'm just I decided to do like a few strands of pearls, and I decided to just like mix up the pearl sizes, and I think it came out really cute. I do wish at the end like I would have added more pearls, like more strands, like just one more. But that's part of like doing nails. You live and you learn, and then the next time you do it better, right? But I also, like, does anyone else have this problem where you're just pushing too hard? And even, oh, wait, reverse. I did lay down some gem glue, whatever you want to call it. So I just took a brush and I brushed it on each of the lines. So now I am, and I did not cure. You don't cure until after you put the gems on. So, I push way too hard on my little sticky pencil thing, and half the time the pearls just like stick to my stick. So I really had to learn to just keep going lighter and lighter. I keep thinking like they're gonna fall off, but like by the time I push on them, they're like embedded into that pencil. So I'm like, Jenna, lighter hand please, lighter hand. In true Jenna fashion, I don't show you the end result. I go to the next one, which I gotta remember to show the camera, but I will show you guys at the end, I promise. You will see a full visual of all 3 designs together. So next, I am doing a classic double French. I really wasn't sure what I was going to do, how I wanted the French to go, but it turned out, and I think because of the nail shape, it kind of ended up looking like a ballerina slipper. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, I never did ballet, but I just still feel like it could have been ballet-esque. I don't know. But I also want to like point out that these polishes, even though you see me like going and doing like many strokes, I was really impressed. Like, you guys know how, like, sometimes some polishes can add bulk to your nail. Like, if you keep going over it, these, I can't stress enough, like, this consistency was just, like, perfect. Like, I don't want to say it was thin, which is good because it wasn't runny, but it just, I don't know, it just worked. It did not add bulkness. Like, it was all still so smooth. So I was really, really impressed with that. So here I am trying to figure out where I want the bow to go. Do I want it like here, here? I always do that when I just am dealing with one. I will kind of visually see. And here we go again. Jenna doesn't show you the outcome of where I put the bow or anything. You guys, I'm so sorry. But again, you will see it at the end. I promise I will give you enough time to look at everything. I'm going to be honest with this last one. My daughter was crying. She was fussing. I needed to hurry up. So I did add some blooming gel down and I got to dotting. I mean, there was really no rhyme or reason. It was just hurry up and get this done. And, you know, I'm talking to my daughter right now. I'm like, hey, baby girl, don't cry, it's all right, mommy's almost done. You know, all the things to try and like prolong this. But this was just a rush situation. But again, sometimes it just works. You don't need to overthink things, you guys. You just lay it down, get it done. I just dotted here and there wherever there was like sparse areas, and I loved it. I did. I thought it was like very like, because there was no polish underneath, I thought it was just very like, I don't know, like dainty girly. Like, I mean, I guess this whole look is, but here we go. Here is everything. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Thank you to Born Pretty for sending these polishes over. Go check them out. You guys, these are cheap too. Cheap polishes. So go check them out. I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.